making money with NFT. How does it work? In this ever-changing technological world, you must have heard about a common word called NFT, which is also known as non-fungible tokens. And also you can build your financial base stronger by investing in those non-fungible tokens. Today, I will talk about how awesome these things are. But before that, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video is about making money with NFTs. How does it work? So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well, before knowing everything, you will need to understand how NFTs are being traded. So buying and selling NFTs is the easiest and most common way to get started with NFT trading. Also, you'll need to go to a specific marketplace or app to discover an NFT for sale. There are numerous online marketplaces, each with slightly distinct emphasis or perks. However, to complete the transaction, you'll need a digital wallet, but not just any wallet. NFTs aren't supported by all wallets, so make sure you select one that does. It must be filled with cryptocurrencies once it has been set up. The wallet can then be used to purchase any NFT that you have money for. Once the sale is verified, it will be permanently recorded on the blockchain and the NFT will be shown in your wallet. These digital assets that depict real-world elements like art, music, in-game items, and films are known as NFT. They're bought and traded online, often using cryptocurrency, and they're usually encoded with the same software as many other cryptos. Despite the fact that they've been there since 2014, NFTs are gaining popularity currently as a popular means to buy and sell digital artwork. Since November 2017, a whopping $174 million has been spent on NFTs. Renowned digital artist Mike Winkelmann, who is better known as Beeple, assembled a composite of 5,000 daily drawings to produce every day the first 5,000 days, which sold for a record-breaking $69.3 million at Christie's in 2021. Individual photographs as well as the whole collage of images are available for free online viewing. So why are people prepared to spend millions of dollars on something that might be easily screenshotted or downloaded? Because this financial transaction permits the buyer to keep the original object, it also comes with a built-in authentication, which acts as proof of ownership. The digital bragging rights are almost as valuable as the item itself to collectors. You should get to know about some lead-performing NFTs of all time if you want to make money using NFTs. I promise this will blow your mind. So the first one is, every day is the first 5,000 days. As I've mentioned before, and I don't believe there's any doubt, that the $69.3 million sale of every day at a Christie's auction in March reflects the full potential of NFTs. Also, Mike Winkelmann, often known as Beeple, a graphic designer, set out in 2007 to make a daily digital artwork for the entire life. The first 5,000 days, as referred to as every day. Andrew Goldstein, the editor-in-chief of ArtNet News, told CNBC that after the sale, he said that it's not a matter of whether NFTs will have an influence on the so-called traditional art market at this point, especially following today's Christie sale, but how much of an impact they will have. The buyer of Winkelmann's digital work was willing to pay over $69 million for it, claiming that he was purchasing an important piece of art history. If he's correct, only time will tell. Meanwhile, Winkelmann's buyer may decide to display every day in an exhibition for art lovers all over the world to appreciate. Another one is Funko. So Funko's non-fungible tokens or NFTs are collectible digital products. Each pack contains a chance to win one of the limited edition digital pop figures that will be revealed when the pack is opened. The company's unique characters, figures, and graphics are used to create these digital tokens. Also, the packs start at $9.99 and go up from there. It will be accessible for purchase utilizing the Drop.io platform, an account and a credit card after it has been opened. Also, Funko Pops are famous for their amazing figures with memorable characters and distinctive designs. One thing to keep in mind while purchasing Funko Pop is that some limited editions have only 10 pieces available. And this means you might be able to get a rare one without even realizing how restricted they are. The third one is Pax the Merged NFT. So the Merge, a digital artist, Pax's latest invention, was sold for $91.8 million on Nifty Gateway, with 28,983 customers purchasing 312,686 total units of mass or non-fungible tokens, and according to Nifty Gateway, a popular NFT marketplace. The price was a milestone for an artwork sold openly by a living artist. However, whether the merge is eventually considered a single piece or a sequence of artworks, the assertion is dubious. Well, Jeff Koons' 1986 sculpture Rabbit set the auction record for a single artwork sold internationally by a living artist at $91.1 million in 2019. From last Thursday to Saturday, the merge was available in an open edition, which is the polar opposite of a limited edition. Buyers could buy any number of tokens for $575, with the price increasing by $25 every 6 hours. The tokens sold for a total of $91.8 million at the end. The more mass customers there were, the larger their mass became. According to Nifty Gateway, they received their final NFT on Monday. PAC, an anonymous artist or artist group, has been at the edge of digital art and crypto culture for more than 20 years and is most known for developing Architect, an artificial intelligence also known as AI, designed to discover and distribute exciting visual material. Moving on to our next one, CryptoPunk. So CryptoPunk is a well-known NFT pioneer, having been one of the first series to be created on the Ethereum blockchain. CryptoPunk is a compilation of 10,000 algorithmically generated 24x24 8-bit style modified and pixelated art pieces created by the New York-based software startup Larva Labs in 2017. Each CryptoPunk NFT is generated at random from a variety of attributes, thereby making them unique because no two CryptoPunks are alike. However, there are designs showing people, zombies, aliens, and apes in the CryptoPunk collection. The CryptoPunk NFT is rarer the more unique their mix of distinguishing qualities are. Moving on to the final one. This is also from Beeple. The name of the token is the Human One. So Human One is a hybrid digital and physical artwork by digital artist Mike Winkelmann, better known as Beeple, that has sold for $28.9 million. The generative sculpture known as Human One was auctioned off as part of Christie's 21st Century Evening Sale on November 9th. Also, the installation, which consists of a dynamic video sculpture and a dynamic NFT, is intended to display artwork that will change over time. People will have perpetual remote access to the artwork as well as artistic direction over its content. If you're thinking about how to pick a good NFT project, then I'm going to tell you about that. To begin with, you should only invest in NFTs that pique your interest. After all, what's the point of buying something you don't like? Look for the next best NFT that meets your interest, not just the next greatest NFT. When researching any NFT, I propose that you strive to learn as much as you can about the creator, the community, and the project also. Nevertheless, the NFT project, like any other endeavor you will undertake, must hit a note with you. You don't want to get sucked into a project that doesn't elicit any sort of emotional response. Although some claim that emotion should not be used when making a business decision, one may suggest that this is not the case here. You'll notice that the majority of the most popular NFT projects incorporate some type of artistry and creativity. Gamers, collectors, and art enthusiasts make up a large portion of the NFT community. Therefore, a bland project would be unlikely to appeal to them. Don't forget about the neighborhood. A healthy community will support a successful NFT initiative. An overall cheerful attitude, helpful people, and a lot of contact from the project manager are all signs of a strong community. Project updates, alerts, and help with any difficulties that community members may encounter should all be included in this message. Moreover, if the team refuses to produce a white paper or roadmap, it is impossible to comprehend the intricacies and technologies involved in the creation or development of an NFT project. And if you're going to invest your hard-earned money in a project, at the very least, you should be able to assess the team's seriousness and the roadmap's long-term viability. So there were the complete details that you needed to know. If you found this video interesting, go ahead and hit the like button, and if you're new here, subscribe and click the bell icon. This way you'll be notified of all the future crypto and NFT news. We'll see you in the next one, and until then, peace.